Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining us. So, if this is your first time for joining us, for tuning into this channel, this is Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Here we'll discuss everything that is related to health and well-being that will benefit our health, especially those of us who want to lose weight, who want to lose our belly fat, who want to look young and make our skin to glow, everything that is related to lifestyle. Yeah, that's what we'll discuss. So you're welcome. Please join us and subscribe to our channel and support our work. And to those of you who are already there that have subscribed to my channel, oh my god, you guys are amazing, you guys are wonderful. I just want to say thank you for your support. I won't be doing this without you. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys all. You guys are the best. Yeah, so today I'm going to be sharing these two recipes for detoxifying your system. And I've been taking this recipe for a while now, and it has been working for me amazingly. It helped to flush away every unwanted things in my body, and then and it reduces my belly. That's exactly what I wanted, and if I'm just amazed at the result that I get from this. So I want to share it with you guys. It's a common vegetable that you guys have in your kitchen settling, and you guys have been seeing it. Maybe you guys have not been mixing it rightly. So when you mix the right vegetable together, the right ingredients together, it will give you a better result. So that's what I keep saying. When you mix the right ingredients together, you get a better result. So please watch to the end and see what we're having. Please subscribe and join us and support my work. All right, so let's go to the kitchen without wasting your time and see what we have. Thank you for being there. Thank you. Right, so we're having cucumber here. I have one cucumber diced and two apple. You get a better result when you mix cucumber and apple together. For those of us who are on weight loss journey or belly fat, it worked for me, and I've been taking this for 2 weeks. I am amazed by by the result I get. I'm telling you, because my stomach just automatically reduced. I remember when I wake up in the morning, what I just look at is my stomach. I'm like, what is this really happening to me? So it's really good. So I hope you guys try it and you see the results out. Please let me know with the comment below, and let me know if this really work, if this recipe really works for you, because it's really fantastic. This juicing, it helps to detoxify your body, and it helps your liver function well. It improves your digestion and help your metabolism system, boost your immune, and moisturize dry skin if you have the dry skin like me. So this juicing is very good to detoxify your system. So I hope you give it a try. So we are going to go for the second recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here. So hold on and watch this video to the end. Thank you. Here we have beetroot and carrots. If you mix beetroot with carrot together, you get a better result. I guarantee you. These two recipe that I'm sharing with you guys, this is the recipe I've been taking for 3 weeks now, and it has been working for me amazingly. If I'm not taking beetroot and carrot, I'm taking apple and cucumber, and my stomach automatically just went down. I'm like, what is happening here? So I am so happy sharing this recipe with you people. So I Hope anyone who really wants to lose weight or belly fat, you should just give it a try for 2 or 3 weeks. You'll see the better result. And please, if it worked for you, just come back and leave a comment below and let me know how well it worked for you. And if it did not work for you, just still let me know. Please like and share. All right, thank you. I really like the color of this beetroot and carrot. So this is it. It's preferable you can take it any time of the day. If you can take it in the morning, in the noon, or in the evening before you go to bed, it's okay. You see the two color combined together, and it tastes fantastic. It tastes so sweet. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys just give it a try. Very good to detoxify your body and moisturize your dry skin and help for aging, signs of aging. I'm telling you, look younger than your age. So yeah, this is great. I hope you guys really like it. Thank you for watching. So stay tuned for next time. Bye.